So what's going on, guys? We're gonna here in this video to show you about how to add the random cars, bikes, trains, buildings in your GTA San Andreas by an easy step. Used to be download this from the gtaall.com. Link given in your description about the www.gtaall.com, where you can download all GTA auto installation mode. So this is an auto installation mode of the Renault Kwid 2017. So used to be see this model to replace which car you want to replace as the Renault Kwid. So I will replacing this in adminer and then install. This will take some seconds and close this. Then you will install this game and open this. If you wanna have any video channel, so click on the subscribe and the notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. So I will show you guys that this mode install in this GTA San Andreas or not. So I will choosing new game. I have downloaded this wallpaper from gtaall.com. So opening this. So we here in this also opening the Aeroplane car. So yes, admiral. As guys, you will see the Renault Kwid 2017 car available. So guys, if you wanna have new in the channel, so click on the subscribe and the notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. Or if you wanna have any question or the suggestions, so tell me in my comments or type in the hashtag ASNYT in Twitter. So I will wanna see you next time.